Hi, welcome to Bosch Security, booth 515 at Security Canada. We are showing all of the latest AI analytics that are embedded at the edge of Bosch cameras. You'll notice on each of the videos, as we're looking at the different products within the Bosch portfolio, that we're showcasing the power of AI analytics as well as the ability to leverage Gen AI with our analytics to create a more contextual understanding of a scene. So this is giving granular understanding about people's metadata makeup so that if we're doing a forensic search, we can actually leverage that information to be able to search for somebody, say, in a gray sport coat with brown pants, wearing glasses. We're showcasing some of those unique scenarios that we can leverage analytics for, as well as the integrations that we do with our integration partners. Beyond that, we're also showing our newest generative AI integration, where we leverage the power of a Gen AI cloud to help provide contextual video data for those situations where we need to think outside the traditional security box.
We're very excited to introduce or reintroduce radionics as our new branding for our intrusion and access control systems here at Bosch. Couple of the highlights that go along with that reintroduction: we've made some great technology updates that we're actually introducing here at the show. One of them is, of course, the rebranding of our mobile application for our intrusion panels, which is now our RSM mobile app. It is rebranded to match the Radionics brand. On top of that, we've added an incredible host of new features. It is your virtual keypad to be able to control all features, functions, and capabilities on your intrusion panel. Along with that, we're introducing some other new pieces of technology here at the show. One of them is going to be our new power supply. This B532 power supply is revolutionary. What this is going to allow us to do is, of course, supply 2 amps of power to all of your sensors and devices that require power in your system. But additionally, it is able to extend the bus line. We can now extend the bus line over an additional 1,000 feet. With 8 of these in line, we can actually change that bus limitation from 1,000 feet now, and we can extend it to 8,000 feet. Revolutionary when we're covering larger and larger systems and deployments. We've also updated our wireless technology. Our new receiver, the B812, replaces the B810. This gives us an extra 30% of area coverage. That increases our capability of our wireless devices significantly, so that we actually don't have to have as many repeaters in the system. We can actually have wide area coverage and very, very large buildings without that previous limitation as well. Additionally, we've got some new updates to our access control portfolio. Let's take a look at those. Over here at our access control booth, what we're showing here is we're introduced our new version of our AMS access control software, Access Control Management version 6. This new software application has added a whole bunch of new features to our AMS platform. A couple of the key ones being user management. We now have a very clean, simple, browser-based interface to be able to do basic daily functions, for example, add and remove users and issue credentials. And on the topic of credentials, mobile credentialing is becoming very, very important with access control solutions. We have introduced our mobile credentialing here as well. This is part of the Bosch solution. The mobile credentials are part of AMS. Each of these mobile credentials work in conjunction with our Bluetooth-enabled Lectus readers. You simply have your credential on your mobile device. I am now able to use that mobile device as my key card and be able to activate and authenticate my access control. The beauty of mobile credentialing is the phone itself adds an extra layer of security above and beyond what you can with a physical credential. That means if I have facial recognition on my phone, or even if I have a fingerprint identification and other forms of biometrics, that adds an extra layer of security now for the credentials that couldn't be there before. Additionally, we're previewing our Lectus Blue. Lectus Blue is now designed to bring Bluetooth capability to existing installed platforms using Wiegand card readers that are already in place. We can now bring in up-to-date your existing access control platform utilizing mobile credentials by simply adding the Lectus Blue module onto the back of the reader. And this now turns this Wiegand Prox reader into a mobile credential reader, the same way as having a integrated and specially designed Bluetooth reader. So this is our Bosch Lectus reader. This particular reader is Bluetooth and mobile credential enabled natively. This allows us to use both standard credentials as well as Bluetooth credentials on your mobile device in order to activate the door. So that's what's latest and updated in our access control portfolio. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate the opportunity to be able to show you the innovations that we have here at the Bosch booth.